Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use APIs in your project. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use API in your project, the general process involves finding the right API, reading its documentation, obtaining authentication keys, and sending requests to the endpoints to get data or trigger action. An API allows your program to communicate with and use features from another service, such as a weather service, a social media platform, or a payment processor. So, simply find the right API and read the document. Read about endpoints, request methods, parameters, and authentication. After this, you can simply obtain API keys and make an API request. Now, simply process the API response. Once this is done, your code will be parse this response to extract and use the data relevant to your project. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for many interesting and updating videos like this.